In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an American Express gift card on Xbox. First, start on the American Express website and register your gift card. This quick step activates the card for online use and links it to your details, which helps prevent declines. While you're there, take a moment to confirm the card's current balance so you know exactly how much you can spend, including taxes. If your balance is close to the price of your purchase, remember that sales tax can push you over the limit, so it's better to have a little buffer. Next, add a billing address to the card on the American Express site. Xbox requires a valid billing address to process payments. Use an address that you can verify and pay attention to the exact formatting. Street abbreviations, apartment numbers, and zip codes should match precisely. Consistency is key because even small mismatches can cause the payment to fail. Then turn on your Xbox and head to the Microsoft Store or open your account payment settings. You can do this from the console or through your Microsoft account online. If you prefer typing on a keyboard, make sure your Xbox region and the currency of your purchase match the card's currency, since cross-region payments may not go through. After that, select Add a new payment method and choose credit or debit card. Don't pick redeem a code here, since you're treating the American Express gift card like a regular card rather than an Xbox gift code. Now enter your American Express gift card details, the card number, expiration date, and security code. For the name on the card, using your own name usually works fine. Be prepared for a small temporary authorization hold that some platforms use to verify the card. It should drop off automatically. Make sure the billing address you enter on Xbox matches exactly what you registered with the card. Double check every line, including the postal code and any apartment or unit number. If you get an error, re-enter the address exactly as it appears with American Express. Once saved, you can use the gift card to make purchases on Xbox. Keep an eye on the remaining balance before you check out, since most Xbox purchases need the full amount, including tax, on a single payment method. If your balance is a bit short, consider choosing a lower priced item or adding another payment method to cover the difference. Subscriptions may require a backup payment method for renewals, so one-time purchases are the simplest way to use up the card. And that's it. That's how you can use an American Express gift card on Xbox.